Hello friends, welcome back and a fresh welcome to those who have joined my channel recently. Today we'll be discussing about colors. Children love to learn about colors and we can teach them about colors from their surroundings itself. Like, see, I have got a blue flower today, or you are wearing a red dress today, Mama is serving you in a green bowl today. This way they automatically will learn color today. I have made a card on colors. You will be able to see how to go for it and you can make it on your own. It's very simple and very easy. We'll start with the color red. Red color. Red. Yellow color. The color yellow. Blue. And green. These four colors we'll learn today and we'll see what kind of things we can find with those colors. Let's see what's inside. Red color. What is this fruit? Do you love this? Yeah, it's strawberry. So, strawberry is red in color. Green colored frog. And what's there with yellow? It's a sun. Every day morning we can see. And the color blue, blue balloon, we can see a blue balloon. You love to play with balloons, we have got a big blue balloon over here. So here we have got some colors and we'll match them with the objects. First we'll try with the green felt pen. Where does it go? Does it go here, here? Okay, the frog is taking it. And now the green poster color, again it's going here. Okay, the red color is going with the strawberry and the yellow one with the sun. Similarly, the blue felt pen again is going with the balloon and this one again matching with this balloon itself. The yellow felt pen going with the sun. And the red one is again going towards the strawberry. So we have matched all the colors. Very good. Now again we have one activity on matching colors. But we have collected things from the nature. We have got one green leaf, one yellow leaf, two blue flowers I have got, and one red tomato. They love to explore with these things from the nature. Now where does this green leaf go? It will go with the sun. Do you think so? No. It's going with the frog. And the yellow leaf, it's going with the sun, correct. And the tomato, what is the color of the tomato? Yeah, it's red. So we'll put it in the red block. And which color is this flower? It's blue. So it will go with the blue balloon. We have matched the 4 colors and we have learnt about all these 4 colors in details. We'll again do some more activities on colors and we'll learn about more colors in my following videos. Keep watching for that and subscribe, like and share my channel. Till then, bye-bye.